Our Reading Fluency app is almost ready. We've got all of the ingredients that we need. Here we have a location where we can select words that students miss. We have a place where we can write down exactly what kind of error that they have. We can code things more easily. We can determine when the timer has ended for the reading fluency so that we can find out what the last word was and how many words that a student has read up to that point. What we want to do next is to save that information. We need a table to save it to first. Let's create that. Here I have a blank spreadsheet where I'm going to be creating columns that we're going to need. I want a timestamp column as a best practice for all of my tables. When was data written? I want to know who wrote it. In other words, who administered the assessment. I want to know an ID number for this administration. I want to know the student who had participated in it. If you use the Office 365 connector, you can reference the student's mail address. If you have created your own table, you should always have an ID column for that. Next, I want to have the gross words per minute. I want the error count. I want to know the net words per minute. And I might as well use a comma-separated record where we have all of the words that a student's missed. Let's name this table. We'll call this R Fluency, because fluency can refer to a lot of different things, and the spreadsheet will call it Reading Fluency. We're not done yet. I also want to create a table where I show all of the different words that a student's missed for a given administration. This time, giving each word its own row and whatever passage it came from. Here, I'm going to be listing out the test ID. This is the administration that it's this number, whatever administration of a test that a student had done. And I want to associate that with the word that the student missed and whatever reading passage it came from. Our tables are ready. Notice here that I didn't really need timestamp because we're assuming that all those words took place with this administration of a test. It'll make more sense when we write our formulas for writing data.